probably going to be the last time I water out here because it's really starting to get cold and we have to turn off the water faucets. Now these outside faucets should be turned off at the main water source so that your pipes don't freeze during the winter.
The first step is to locate the main water shutoff valves for the outdoor spigots. You can usually find them wherever your utilities are located. Sometimes it's mounted on the interior side of the house where the outdoor water meter is located. Although the yellow shutoff handle looks just like this main shutoff for the house, the outdoor shutoffs are smaller and sometimes clearly marked. To close it, simply pull the lever down or up about 90 degrees. Now, go outside, remove the hose from the spigot, and open the valve as if you were turning it on. Don't worry if nothing happens. Very little, if any, water should come out, and that's good. It means there's no water in this pipe that could freeze during the winter and cause lots of expensive problems.